Hello everybody. Welcome to our channel PMN Online. Here I will show you what happens when you link a credit card to PayPal. Many users hesitate to add their primary credit card to a digital wallet, wondering if it triggers fees, affects their credit score, or exposes them to more risk. In this video, we are going to break down exactly what happens behind the scenes when you link a card, how the verification process works, and the specific benefits and potential costs you need to know about to keep your money safe. The verification charge. When you first enter your credit card details into PayPal, you might notice a small, temporary transaction on your bank statement. This is completely normal. PayPal often initiates a temporary authorization hold, usually around $1 USD, just to verify that the card is active and valid. This is not an actual charge and typically disappears within a few days. However, if you choose to confirm your card to lift withdrawal limits, PayPal will charge a specific amount, usually $1.95. This transaction will appear on your card statement alongside a 4-digit code. You will need to take that code and enter it back into your PayPal wallet to complete the verification. Once confirmed, that $1.95 is immediately refunded to you. Enhanced security layer. One of the main reasons to link a card is the security buffer it creates. When you shop online using PayPal, the merchant never sees your actual credit card number. They only receive a token from PayPal. This means if that online store gets hacked, your credit card details remain safe because they were never shared with the seller in the first place. Backup funding and overdraft protection. Linking a credit card acts as a safety net for your transactions. If you try to make a purchase and your PayPal balance is insufficient, PayPal can automatically pull the remaining funds from your linked card to complete the transaction. This prevents declined payments at checkout. Fees and rewards. It is important to understand the fee structure. If you use your linked credit card to pay for goods and services at online stores, there is usually no extra fee for you. The seller pays the processing fees. However, if you use that linked credit card to send money to friends or family, PayPal will charge you a fee, typically a percentage of the transaction amount, plus a fixed fee. Hopefully, this guide helped you easily master what happens when you link a credit card to PayPal. If it did, please let us know down in the comment section below. If you want more videos like this, subscribe to the channel PMN Online.